Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick DIY maintenance repair item on this 2015 Porsche Macan S. We are going to be replacing the cabin air filters. You can pick them up at your local auto parts shop. This one is from O'Reilly's and it was $24.99. We'll have a link to one that's available online in the box below. So let's get to it. You should replace your cabin air filter maybe every 15 to 30,000 miles. If you have allergies, it's probably a good idea to replace them more frequently, and it helps with improving air quality and air flow. If you notice any odors in your car, if the air flow is poor, then it's probably a good time to replace it. For the most part, they are usually located in the passenger side of the car under the glove box area. So, for this Porsche Macan, there are 3 screws, and it's located right underneath the glove box. 1, 2, and 3. One, 2. And there's like the gunk. Lots of dust. Lots of dust. Don't want to be breathing all this in. There's a bug. Where? Is it a bug? So yeah, here's the microguard air filter. Just back up. Make sure it's all the way in. And that's it. Match up the holes. Okay. Take you less than 10 minutes, probably 5. Okay, so see, that was a super fast, fun, and easy job that anybody could do. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Look out for more videos, and see you in the next one.